Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing another Play by Sephora unboxing. If you guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, and why I keep wearing the same outfit in every video, well, hot damn, keep on watching. Alright guys, third video in a row. What? Shocker, I know. Alright, so you guys know how much I love my Play by Sephora. I think it's such a great box. It is $10 a month and you get 5 to 6 deluxe size items in here of products that are sold at Sephora. You used, and I say used, to get a play card. The play card always consisted of 50 play points, meaning whenever you shopped at Sephora, you got additional 50 points added on to any single purchase that you used that card on, which is great because that's how I really built up my points so fast, because I always had 50 play points to add to every single purchase. For some reason, I don't know why, they thought it'd be a great idea to take that away, which is really shitty because it was such a horrible idea. It's one of the key factors as to why I got this box, because I really loved that idea. Unfortunately, they did take it away from us, and now they switched over their point system. You can use so many points to get like 10, 15, like 20% off your purchase. I'm sorry, but their point system is a freaking joke. It's just like, it's hysterical how bad their point system is. I couldn't even tell you how many points I have. I know it's in the thousands, and every time I shop at Sephora, they're like, do you want to use your points to buy this product? I'm like, yeah, let me just use 1,000 points to buy a little like mini size product. Yeah, no, like their joke system, their point system is such a freaking joke. I love Ulta's point system because you know that you can save and build up your points to literally take hundreds of dollars off your purchase. Like my mom every single year saves all her points at the end of the year, and she always has like $500 to spend at Ulta in just points. And I'm like, that is freaking fantastic. Shopping spree. You know, it's what she does every single year. Why Sephora doesn't do that is beyond me. Well, I mean, I can kind of understand. They're stingy and they're cheap as fuck. So that's my opinion on it. I think Sephora really has some room to grow and improve when it comes to their point system. They did like a survey a while ago to ask like what our thoughts were on points, and I guess I didn't listen to it. So with that said, I know I just talked a lot of shit about Sephora. Let's dive into their play box. This month's box is called Stress Busting Beauty Chart. Oh, I kind of like how they have the different horoscopes right here. That is really freaking nice. So, as you guys know, every single month they do come with a plastic reusable, and I say that lately, makeup bag. I do not find this reusable at all. It is not biodegradable. It is not safe for the environment. And I really hate that they use this. Unfortunately, they don't watch my reviews, clearly, and they keep using plastic bags. I find them to be so wasteful, and I really wish that they would just not put their makeup products in anything and just put it in the box. Like, I find that be so much better than using a plastic bag, because no one saves these. If someone saves these, like, that by all means I give you credit, but this just doesn't get saved for me, and I just feel like it's just a waste, and it makes me angry every single month I get this. So I'm gonna take this, dump out my products like what they should do, and let's go ahead and dive into this box. So the first thing I see is Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Oh, that is so funny. This is probably like my third time I have received this product in this box. I guess they're kind of running out of ideas to what to put in here, but this is the third time I've got this product. This is a great product, so I am not mad about it at all. I just know that I don't have to go to the company and buy the full-size product, because I know that in my Play by Sephora, I'll get it like every 3 to 4 months. This product will magically appear, and I don't have to worry about buying it. It is a really fantastic product. It does a really great job at hydrating my hair, especially since I do dye my hair blonde. It definitely makes my hair a little dry when it's bleached, when it's freshly done. So this is a great job at keeping that nice and hydrated and smooth. So I am happy it's in here. I just find it quite funny because this is the third time I've gotten it. Ooh, the next product is from Kat Von D. This is that tattoo liner and trooper. This is award-winning and exclusive to the box. I don't use any of Kat Von D products. I don't. And I know that I know that she just sold her company over to Kento Beauty, and they're saying online that she's no longer going to receive any royalties or any sort of payments for her selling her products over. So now she's no longer associated with the brand at all. But I don't use Kat Von D products, not just because she doesn't vaccinate her children, just because I don't really ever use her products personally. Her brand has never excited me at all, especially since I always see it inside TJ Maxx. I'm like, I always end up giving these to my friends. I never keep them for myself. But I mean, I think it's a cool concept put in here. I have no use for it. So I'm gonna put this in a little giveaway box for future giveaways because I feel like someone out there would get a better use out of this than I would. All right, the next product is from, this is from Glam Glow. This is a super mud activated charcoal treatment mask. This is award winning, and it says allow this purifying charcoal infused mask to provide clarity for your skin and physique. It kind of looks like it's been used a little bit. Y'all see how like look at that. It's like so squished in right now. I haven't even touched this product. Oh my gosh. I really do like Glam Glow products. For sure, I really do. I'm excited to give a mud mask a try. I love charcoal products because I have really, really large pores, so I feel like it does a great job to suck out all the toxins in my pores. I feel like I should use this for everyday life too. But that's cool. All right, the next product is the Lacombe Seals Booster XL Super Enhancing Mascara Base. I know for a fact that this is the second time that I have received this product in this box, but I'm not mad about it. The reason being is that I tried so hard to find this. When I did a clean out of my beauty room so I could do a tour for you guys, I accidentally threw this bad boy away and I was so freaking pissed at myself. But now it's back in here, I am excited because this is a really great product to put on your lashes to get them lifted and boosted, and then put your mascara on top. Yes, it does leave a white film in your lashes, so it can look a particular way. But I am excited that it's in here because it is a really cool product. Is it enough for me to go out and buy the real thing? No, because Lacombe is expensive. But this is exciting that it's in here because I really needed this. So I'm excited. Oh, it's such a small little box. Okay, the next product, it's another Philosophy. Is this a Philosophy day or what? This is Philosophy Amazing Grace. Amazing Grace. All right, so the scent is, the fragrance is floral. The top is Lily of the Valley and the base is musk. I've never actually tried Philosophy products, period. I did say in my Laura Beauty Box video that when I worked at Ulta, I used to play around with their lotions, but like not really anything else. How does this work? Oh, that smells really good. This is a bonus for this month's box. Oh, that smells really good, and I smell so holy. I love it. That's exciting. I really do like getting perfume samples in here because it allows me to kind of branch out of my perfumes. I do stick to Victoria's Secret because I love Victoria's Secret Tease and Victoria's Secret Bombshell. Those are like my two go-to perfumes, so it's kind of nice to try out different ones. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I should be irritated by the next product, but I'm not. So the next product is a Shishidu Washidu. This is not what it's called, but this is what I like to call it. It's Wasu Shashidu. This is the Clear Mega Hydrating Cream. This is an exclusive to this box. I know it's an exclusive to this box because I got my last one in my Sephora Play box, and now I have two of these bad boys. Listen, every time I go to Sephora, I stare at the full size. It's a $40 full size product. The reason why I haven't jumped the gun yet and bought the full size is because I'm very, very oily. I've worn this under my foundation before and I do get pretty oily throughout the day, and I know it's because this is an ultra hydrating moisturizer and it doesn't necessarily help to mattify the skin. It kind of enhances that moisturizer. It makes me extra oily, but it is such a great product to use at night on the skin. I mean, I could just stop being so cheap and just buy it, but I'm so excited that we got it because this smells like rich people's skin. Oh God, if y'all can just smell this. If they have smell-o-vision, here, smell it. Smell it. It smells so good. Like, this is what I envision, like Tati and like Jacqueline's face to smell at all time. I mean, truly, I never have words for how amazing this product is. Does not taste good. Does not taste good, but ooh, this is what rich people's skin smell like. I'm obsessed with this product. You guys already know how much obsessed I am. I could just smell this all day. You know what I could do? Don't break that rich people's skin. I could do this. Smells so good. Oh, that is so exciting. That is really exciting. I'm so glad that we got this in here. You guys have no idea how exciting it is to receive this product. Now, what can I say about this box? This is a repeat box. I've literally received every single item in here besides the Philosophy. I've received these items before in a Sephora Play box. So that's a little disappointing that they are using repeat items, and I've seen so many of your guys' comments where you guys have said before that Sephora has definitely repeated items in your box back to back to back. And unfortunately, they're doing it in this box as well. But I can't hate on it because I'm so excited they have the washi-do, shashi-do. Even though it's not what it's called wasu, shashi-do. I like saying it my way because that's just like how I like saying it. But I'm really excited this is in here. You guys know how much I love my rich people skin product because it makes me feel like I'm luxurious even though your girl is broke as fuck. This makes me feel like so freaking like, it makes me just feel like I'm living in a fantasy that's not realistic, but it makes me, I love it. I really do love that product so much. It's gonna sit right here on my desk at all times. So I can always be right here to grab it. But other than me being excited about this product, overall, this box is, it's a little, I can say I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed because I've received these products before. I was really hoping to receive brand new products or products I have not tried. This is now, I think I'm going on to almost my full year of having Sephora Play. I think I want to say I started back in like February or March of last year. So this is the first time I'm really coming across full-on repeats. Everything else I've already received before in this particular box. So it's a little disappointing that they are just throwing in repeats. I don't know if they're just running out of ideas or running out of like new products to try. I'm not entirely sure. I don't know how these things work, but that's a little disappointing. So that's something you guys should definitely be mindful of. The Sephora has definitely repeated items in here. Hopefully next month after new products roll out, they're able to throw in more diverse products in here, but we shall see. But I can't be too mad because I did only spend $10 on it. So I can't be the worst. I can't be that mad at it. Yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys like this video, please be sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post, well, I'm here almost every single day. I'm here like pretty much every single day. So please subscribe. It's free. It's right there. Also, you guys, also make sure you guys head on over to my other channel. It is R for the Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures with amazing fiance Corey. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys in a very next video. Bye. What? Round 3? What? Who is she? What is the Kat Von? Oh. Not necessarily just because she doesn't not because how long have I been talking with that on my lip? Y'all, I have been talking with a black dot on my lip this entire time. That's embarrassing.